Welcome to aminacademy.com. In complex analysis, let us discuss about analytic function. A complex function is said to be analytic on a region if it is complex differentiable at every point in it. The terms holomorphic function, differentiable function, and complex differentiable function are sometimes used interchangeably with analytic function. Here, for example, here if W is u plus iv is the value of the function, f at z equal x plus iy, so that you can say u plus iv equal f of x plus iy. Each of the real number numbers u and v depends on the real variable variables x and y, and it follows that f of z can be expressed in terms of pair of real valued variable x and y, and it follows f of z can be expressed and it follows that f of z can be expressed in terms of real valued function functions of the real variables x and y. So real variable x and y. Now that is, we can express f of z equal u of xy plus iv of xy. Let us give more space for this. Here in polar form, we can express u plus iv equal f of r e power I theta, where W equal U plus IV and Z equal R e power I theta. Then we can write f of Z equal U R of theta plus, because in polar form we are expressing this, I V of R theta. Now for example, we'll do an example. If f of Z equal Z squared, then you can say f of x plus iy can be expressed. Z is what? X plus iy the square, which is equal, expanding this, x square plus x square minus y square plus I into 2xy. Hence, we can say u of x comma y, the real part of x comma y is x square minus y squared, and v of x comma y equal to xy. Further, in polar form, the same things you can express in polar form. F of R e power I theta equal R e power I theta the square, which is equal R squared e power I 2 theta, which is expressed in terms of R squared cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta. Consequently, can say u of R theta equal real part R squared cos 2 theta, and v of R comma theta is R squared sin 2 theta. So this expression, the functions we always has, that means you can express this function f of R e power I theta is equal to R e power I theta whole square, because we are our function is given f of z equal to z square. Then expressing this, finally you can find real part and imaginary part in functional. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.